you Nepalis are very proud that this man is born in Nepal. Just being proud that Buddha was born in Nepal is not good enough. You need to really take advantage of that. You need to really, you need to use him. You are not using him enough. You should study what he taught. You should implement his methods in your life. Because many other countries, they do a lot, more and more. I want to see in Nepal, even in the kindergarten school, his teachings. You should put that, because that's one of you. This is your guy. I want, of course, in-depth study in the university level, of course. You should have Buddha. You should have streets named after Buddha. You should have Buddha's photo on your money, That's how you have to remember. Otherwise, what's the point of saying Buddha was born in Lumbini, Buddha was born in Nepal, and you know nothing about him? That's not good enough. That's it.